All right. Latest prize. Uh, that little green mean thing there, I hope. I've never had one of these before, and uh, almost no information on the net. I'll do a video on it coming up. I won't say what it is. If you know, you can guess at it. But anyway, this is the shipping. No bubble wrap, but I'm still happy, I think. You know, I haven't lifted it out the box yet, but this thing has been quadruple boxed, I guess. You know, here's the outer box, and then I opened that up, and it was the second box, this brown one here. And then I opened that one up. It's like a surprise package where they put like a ring in a box, and a bigger box, and bigger box, bigger box. And third box was this white box here, you know, all wrapped up. I, you know, got my knife out and was cutting away. And then the fourth box, you know, another brown box again, and then some cardboard. And then we got the cardboard up, and there's my prize in there. Sounds like it made it, but that's a first. Quadruple box, no bubble wrap, but it looks like it made it. I was wondering why this thing was in, you know, such a big box, and it's heavy too. Cardboard is a lot heavier than bubble wrap, but anyway, that's showing that. Getting a little excited about this prize. This is a hard one to find. Want to see what it's made of. Anyway, that's it for this one for now. Keep tuned. Another bad time. Bye.